Alright, y'all. This is gonna be me pushing the street button. So there's two buttons. This goes that way, and that one goes that way. That's a little bit farther. We're gonna do it 2 times. I'm gonna go this way, and then we're going to press that button right there. I think it has the hand signal. So here we go. This is my first time doing this, so I wonder what it does. Let's see. It's a big button. Up, it just turned yellow automatically. No one's here, so here we go. Oh, look at that. I wonder how much time you get. Probably not much. There's got to be like a countdown. Up, there we go. It turns yellow. And now we're going to push this button. What kind of fixture is this? I don't know. Up. There we go. It's turning red. And there you have it. That was actually pretty simple. And for a little bonus, yes, I'm out here by myself walking at night. It's a nice night. Look at that. It's the Mardi Gras colors. Or LSU. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm going to walk back home. It should take about maybe 7 minutes. So, yeah. Alright, guys. See you guys next time for more videos.